In the name of Jesus Christ, I ask you to leave this house this instant. In the name of Jesus Christ, I ask you to leave this house.
A man named Jorge has been living through something far worse than nightmares. For months, he's been violently jolted awake by terrifying, unexplainable events unfolding right inside his bedroom. Drawers are ripped open with force, chairs are flung across the room, deafening bangs echo against the walls, and blankets are yanked from his body in the middle of the night. On more than one occasion, objects have hurled themselves off shelves, and deep claw-like scratches have appeared on his bedroom wall. Jorge swears he never made. Finally, desperate to prove he wasn't imagining it, Jorge set up a camera while he slept. And this is what he captured.